Hey there, guys. Welcome to the club, and my name is Yevgeny Rasa, and this is the video especially for those who think that they have failed at something, or let's say there's a question, can I fail in yoga? Let's turn it this way, not I failed, but can I fail in yoga? I'm rather experienced in the area of yoga, not working only on the different retreats, working in the yoga studios. Mostly I'm working with the future and existing yoga instructors, and they come from their students with a lot of questions like, can I do, the person say, I can do a split, I can do the plank pose, this means I failed in yoga. Or some people tell to their friends that, you know what, I don't get the idea of meditation, and thereby I don't know what to do, or it's just the yoga class is so boring that it's just not for me. Let's say I'll try gymnastics or some other kind of activity. Thereby, the good news for all those people who think that they can fail in yoga, it's impossible. You can never fail in yoga, because in yoga there's experience. Even though the thing you thought did not come true, or you expected some different result, instead of standing in plank pose for 3 minutes you made 2.5, you made it. You had the experience, and your body can be different from the persons who can do the 3-minute plank pose, and your body might not be ready for this, or it can do something absolutely different. Thereby, it's experience. And the bad news for those people who think that they can succeed in anything in their life if they are not aware of their physical, emotional, and let's say spiritual areas in their life, then their success is just an illusion. Body is a very complex mechanism. It comes together with emotions, thoughts, and many other things, and you have to learn your body, your essence, and this is yoga what's all about. It's about the practical methods you can use to get to know yourself, and you can fail in this, and together we'll make a few more good and interesting points. And next one is I'm inviting you to the practical video. You can try it any place and see how it's all working, bringing 3 very important things that are important in yoga for your life and for your understanding and for your success in yoga and life. So welcome.